Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video, and in this video it's another silent vlog. I've did one in the past and I really enjoyed making it. So if you watched it, let me know in the comments below how that vlog was. So this one I'll take you inside a Japanese train. So I'm taking an express train to Nagoya. So I'll show you how the inside of a Japanese train looks, how does it feel to be inside a train. So if you're interested in that, do watch the whole video, but there's something else in this video. So I'll be dropping this earphone case inside the train and leaving it for a day, because as you know, Japan is considered a really safe country. It's hard to lose stuff, so we're gonna put that to test. I'm gonna put this inside the train and then go back the next day to see if the train station can find it and get it back to me. I'm highly confident that I will get it back, but let's see. I'll just try to prove it on this video. And also do let me know how these silent vlogs are. If you want to see any other places in Japan, like inside a restaurant or a theme park or anywhere, just let me know. I'll make that video. Comment below and enjoy the silent vlog.
ご注意ください。
乗車の窓は開きます。ドアからは手を離してお待ちください。
ドアが開きます。ご注意ください。ドアが開きコードギア、1号車、
So this is the station where I dropped off yesterday, and as you could see in the video, I intentionally left my earphone case in the train. So we're gonna try and go inside and see if Lost and Found actually works, and we can find the lost earphone case. So let's go in. I'll do a POV shot. Might not be the best quality, but let's see. So an update on the case. So as you could see, I went back to the original station where I dropped off and I talked with them, but sadly they couldn't find it. So they called the train that I took and they couldn't find the case in the train. But I had trust in the lost and found system of Japan, so I didn't lose hope. So the next day I came back to my city and I went to the station from where I took the train to Nagoya. So I went there and asked them, do you have like something, a case, could you find it? So I told them the date I lost it, the train, because I knew exactly, because I did it intentionally. So they were surprised that I knew the exact train I took. So they looked for it, and this time, finally, after 20 minutes, the guy said that yes, we found a case, but sadly, the train went to Gifu, and the people found the case at Gifu, so they gave the case to Gifu police station. So Gifu is around 3 hours drive from my city. So the case right now is at Gifu station. So then the guy gave me the name of the police station, the item number and whatnot, and I had to call them. So next thing I did, therefore I called the police station. I told them that, do you guys have a earphone case? They did some background checks. I mean, they did some checks inside the lost and found section, and after a few minutes they called me back and they said, yes, we have a case. Can you describe the case? I described the case and they found it. So yes, the case is there at Gifu police station, but here's the problem. They won't send it to my house or send it to a police station near me because there was no identification documents inside the case. Who keeps that inside the earphone case? So the only way I can retrieve that is to go to Gifu station, which is 3 hours away, and retrieve it. So I have until January. They said 3 months they keep lost and found items. So that means it's another video. So I will travel to Gifu probably next month in November, drive there and retrieve my case. So if you want to watch it, do subscribe to the channel. But yes, that was the experience of losing an item in Japan. Definitely, I think 70 to 80% of them you'll get it back, especially if you have like identification documents in the thing you lost. But I didn't. But as you know, it is there. No one took it. So hopefully next month I go there and find it. And let me in the comments below if you enjoyed the silent vlog and what other vlogs you want to see on the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.